Hydra was founded on the belief that humanity could not be trusted with its own freedom. What we did not realize was that if you try to take that freedom, they resist. The war taught us much. Humanity needed to surrender its freedom willingly. After the war, S.H.I.E.L.D. was founded. The new Hydra grew, a beautiful parasite inside S.H.I.E.L.D. For 70 years, Hydra has been secretly feeding Crisis, reaping war. And when history did not cooperate, history was changed. You are to be the new fist of Hydra.
But you don't do your part, I can't do mine. And Hydra can't give the world the freedom it deserves.
Hydra created a world so chaotic that humanity is finally ready to sacrifice its freedom to gain its security. Once the purification process is complete, Hydra's new world order will arise.
The head of Hydra, a brilliant scientist by the name of Johann Schmidt. He and Hitler share a passion for occult power and Teutonic myth. Hitler uses his fantasies to inspire his followers. But for Schmidt, it is not fantasy. For him, it is real.
Our priority is to get the Iron Man weapon turned over to the United States of America.
Cut off one head.
2 more shall go.
And I guess we'll keep cutting them off.
Hydra.
Society's at a tipping point between order and chaos.